In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream your screen on YouTube. First of all, you'll basically need to install something called OBS. This is what I'm going to use in this video. So as you can see in here, for me, it's already installed, but for you, you will have to go and install it. So once it's installed, you'll need also to enable the live streaming on your YouTube account. So you can go to your youtube.com and from there, just go and log in. Of course, make sure that you're logged in into your account. And if it's your lifetime or first time example live streaming on YouTube, you will need to enable, as we said, the live streaming option. So once you go to your account, for me, let me just go and switch my accounts first, because I'm not sure if I streamed here before, but at least this is an older account than the other one. So an example here, I can go and click on the YouTube Studio. An example, this will take me to my account right away. Now I can go and click on this plus button at the top right, as you can see right here. So once I click on this, I'll be able to go and click on Go Live. So as an example, if it's your first time, you'll have to request the access to streaming. Once you request it, it may take up to 24 hours to get access to live streaming. So just go and click on request. And as you can see, you'll be able to unlock more on YouTube. And to access streaming on your desktop, you'll need to verify your phone number. So click on verify. They'll tell you or send you to this page. You'll basically have to enter your phone number and make sure to verify it as well. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to enter my number. They're going to send me a verification code. I'll have to go and enter that, or they'll call me with an automated voice message if I want to. For me, I'm just going to choose the text me verification code, and I'm going to enter my number, then going to click on next. So in here, just go and click on next as an example. And as you can see, good news, like looks like you already verified. We don't need to send you a code. You are all set. So all I need to do now is just go, an example, and refresh this page. And of course, I'll find like a request option again. So I'm just going to click on request again. And I'll have to wait. Of course, they'll not give me access right away. As they said, it may take up to 24 hours, as you can see. So only after 24 hours until you can stream. So requested stream access on this date. Once it's available on your channel, you can schedule stream or go live instantly. So basically, once they give you access, you'll need, as we said before, to install something called OBS or any other free screen streaming software. If you have any, you can just go and choose that. And of course, you would like to set up OBS for streaming. So as an example, I do have here some scenes, and I do have an example of PC scene that streams my display and also my microphone, as you can see. So for you, if you want to add anything else like your camera, make sure to click on plus, add this example your camera. If you want to add anything like some audio, if you want to add anything, you'll be able to find it from here, an image, a logo, anything like that. So once you do so, you will have to get then your YouTube stream key. You should find this example once they give you access, and you can go and click on go live, then choose the streaming software. Of course, once you choose the streaming software, you'll have to connect your OBS. On the OBS example, you can go and click on settings. And on the settings, you'll be able to go and click on stream. Here, make sure to go and choose YouTube. So once you click on choose YouTube, you can go and connect accounts right away. And of course, you can use the stream key if you want to. So using stream key is a little bit advanced. So it's recommended, as you can see from here, to connect your account. So once you click on connect your account, you'll basically have, or they'll take you to your browser where you'll have to connect into your account. You'll have to simply connect into it. And as you can see, I connected into it into the other screen, and it is connected now. So once it is connected, I'll be able, in examples, to see the chats. So let me just show you here. I don't want to close this example. So, or I want to close this. And as you can see, I'll be able to see the YouTube live chats. And here I can just go and connect into my account. So whenever I stream, I'll be able to see the chat, and also I'll see what I am streaming. It's better if you stream with both, as an example, screens, not only one. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.